fact, the UN Secretary General has appointed Kailash Satyarthi as a Sustainable Development Goals advocate. Nobel laureate Kailash Satyarthi's appointment is a huge step towards bolstering global outreach on key child rights issues. Kailash Satyarthi, Nobel Peace Laureate, joins us. Hearty congratulations on being appointed as the UN Sustainable Goals Advocate. Your appointment comes at a very critical time when child labour has risen for the first time in 2 decades. The number of children who are employed as child labour stands at around 160 million as per the latest global data. What's your reaction?
Definitely, it's a very critical and challenging juncture for children of the world, particularly the marginalized children in low-income countries. And I accept this responsibility with utmost moral responsibility. Millions of our children have been trapped into child labor, bonded labor, trafficking in the past, but the pandemic has exposed and exacerbated this menace. So we have to take more robust and strong, bold measures to combat that situation. So I will take it as a challenge to bring the issue of children in the global development agenda as well as in the political agenda. So I would be working with a number of governments as well as with interagencies, groupings, as well as the UN agencies.
Right. Your responsibility entails working closely with the UN Secretary General's office. What's your vision for the next 2 years, and what do you wish to change, or what's the change that you wish to see on the ground during this period?
We have realized that children belonging to the most vulnerable sections need urgent attention and urgent action. And that sense of urgency has to be built everywhere. And that requires a financial response as well. And that's why I have been calling for setting up a global social protection fund. Because we can make policies, we can allocate budgets for several development activities, but these children and their parents require immediate financial support or support in other kinds. And that's why a global social protection fund has to be set up. But now in the first meeting, I'm going to talk with the Secretary General and other advocates, as well as during the ongoing UN session, I would be pushing a very particular and clear agenda that the most marginalized children in the low-income countries should be prioritized for social protection, and a fund should be set up to begin with for children. And that would be my agenda, and I wanted to see the result of it so that we can fight child labor, trafficking of children, slavery, and more importantly, that children should come back to schools and retain in schools. That is also a big challenge in case of girls in particular.